Yo, what's up, bitches? It's your boy, girl, I don't even fucking know anymore, Len. Yesterday was Valentine's Day. Today is International Bottom Day, which means it's time for me to cook pumpkin spice muffins, because I'm basic as fuck, and also because they were 19 cents on clearance. And, I don't fucking know. Okay. First step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, but it's already preheated because I'm cooking chicken for dinner. So that's going to be longer than these are going to take, hopefully, so yeah, whatever. Second step, you take the water, oil, eggs, and muffin mix, and you stir them up. Let me find a bowl. There we go. The green Tupperware, appropriately retro for my channel. How do you open this? Violence is never the answer, but it's always an answer. So we're just gonna... I don't know if that got on camera. That probably didn't. Knowing me, that's definitely not in the shot. And missed most of the bag as well. Fun. More violence. Dump that shit in a bucket. I have no idea if I'm in the shot or not. The viewfinder on this camera doesn't swivel all the way around. That's fun. 2/3 of a cup of water. Well, I have a 1 cup. And I don't care that much. That looks appropriate to me. There's no real good way to show the camera that. Whatever. Close enough. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. I think I have a 1/4 cup. This has got flour on it, but yeah, it's a 1/4 cup. Whatever. Find that later. Yay, we didn't quite run out. Means I can leave it for the next person. Probably me, but me in the future, and it sucks to be future me, so, you know, we'll deal with that when we get to that. I can't tell if that's got cat hair on it. It probably does. I'll clean up later. I also need to wash this, because it's greasy now. Fine. How much? 2 egg. I sure hope I'm in frame right now. Am I in frame? Egg. I don't know where I was going with that. Unborn child. That's where I was going with that. Shit. I think I might have gotten some shell in there. I can't see shit. That one worked way better than the last one. Didn't even get my hands dirty. That dirty. And I'm going to trip over that door. I'm going to trip over it right the hell now. What's in this one? Is it in this one? I don't see it. I don't see the whisk. Screw it. Fork time. Forkulate that into a something resembling deliciousness. Because reasons. Oh yeah. I can't tell if that's in frame or not. Once again, I'm just kind of running blind. I think I overstirred that because it's starting to get tough. That's nice. I think that's got most of the lumps out. It doesn't have to be perfect because, you know, life isn't perfect. There are no mistakes, just happy little accidents that happen to be around 9 months after yesterday. Yeah, if you're born in November or late October, that's why. Congratulations. Now you know. I definitely overstirred that. Fill muffin cups 2/3 full. Oh yeah, I should probably like grease these. Idea. Am I supposed to shake this? I don't know if I'm supposed to shake this. Whatever. I do it anyway because I want to. I proceed to spray oil on the fucking fridge door. And try to scoop with a fork. I'm stupid. I have a disher, I just don't feel like doing it. Because now that I've started, I cannot unstart. It was actually working really well because I overstirred it. See kids, I don't make good decisions, I just sometimes make enough bad decisions they cancel each other out. Because that's just how I roll. These muffin pans are rusty. I have no idea how they rust because they're Teflon coated. But you know what? Sometimes miracles happen. They're just not the good kind. That's how you do that. Okay, you gotta give it a little twist at the end. And that actually didn't give me enough. Fine. The dogs are moving. That means Grandma's gonna be awake soon. I'm gonna have to do soup first, but she doesn't. No, I'm doing this. It's 9 in the morning. Actually, no, 10 in the morning. No, still technically 9 for another like 30 seconds. I should have put the time counter on the camera just for maximum first effect. Okay. Record the entirety of myself globbing muffin mix into tins and messing it up horribly. Because, well, I mess up my life horribly, so this just fits. I'm gonna say that fits. No mistakes, just happy little accidents. Take the water off of that because I just washed it. Fuck, I was not aiming that the right way. And I sprayed my hand. Glad I'm not fully suited. I think I hit the fridge door again. I think I got that one correctly for once. Pumpkin spice muffin. Yeah, it's times like these where I contemplate my life decisions. Like, what dumbass made me to working graveyard shift retail and dressing up as a dinosaur and making muffins. Whatever. Honestly, probably one of the better ways my life could have turned out. Because I can think of so many ways this could have gone horribly wrong by now. And has tried to go horribly wrong by now. I don't really like carry a tape recorder so I can just record all my internal monologues because this shit's comedy gold, or actually no, it's comedy shit, but with a little editing and an audience that appreciates self-deprecation would be perfect. And who appreciates self-deprecation more than furries? And I found a giant lump of unmixed batter. That's nice. Whatever, it's going to be that way. I can actually see pretty well out of this suit, considering these eyes are not buckram, they're just window screen I fogged with white spray paint. I have places to set those. I hope this will all fit into this muffin tin, because I'm out of muffin tins. This one's got a really fucking rusty ass spot on there. I don't know what that's about. I just feel like it's already been greased. I know I didn't grease it. Let's aim that this time. Yeah, I don't think I got any on the fridge door. Let's turn this so I don't put any in the bad one. That's an idea. Let me slightly turn the camera up. That. Let me check the... I think that's right. That looks right-ish, I think. I'm just gonna scoop it in there and I almost missed the cup with that one. I'm probably gonna set the dogs off if I do that too many more times. Yeah, sticky. I hate myself. What would really suck is if I had this whole mess recorded and then I realized that like the right protect notch was still there or something. I don't know. Some other catastrophic error or... Wait, shit, did I leave the white balance on the wrong one? I bet I did. Fucking shit. I had it set to the white balance for my green screen because I'm stupid. That's fun. I had a fursuit knife set up and the tape came off and I never reattached it. It also never got used in any videos, so that's fun. I think the time we broke up this silicone. It's normie silicone. Pumpkin spice. It's normie silicone, it's just a spatulator and not the fun kind. Right. There we go. That's how you do that. That works better-ish. Not like really well, but better than it did. And I hear the dogs growling in the background, which means they're awake now. That's concerning. It just occurred to me that I'm using the timer on my phone to time the chicken. Which means I need to it's gonna be weird. I'm gonna have to set the oven timer for the I have to set the oven timer for whatever is left on the chicken. And then set my phone timer for the muffins, because I feel like they're going to be done first. I haven't checked my phone. It would probably be an idea to do, though. It might even be a good idea to do. How much time have I wasted doing this? At least 20 minutes, I think. Shit, how much time was left on that tape? Good question. Probably plenty, though. I'm pretty sure there wasn't a whole lot on there. And the dog is barking. Yeah, that's not going to make an entire muffin. What? Okay, I better put these in the oven before the dogs get Grandma. How much time was that? Mini muffins. 10 to 12 minutes. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to set the regular timer. Uh-oh. That chicken's boiling. Interesting. And the grandma's awake. Fine. We're trying to make a video. Let me just go up to 10 minutes. There we go. And turn the camera off. Well, it's quite a while later, actually, as I was like digitizing the other bit of the video and editing it some, so these are actually cold now. But yeah, muffins are done. I picked the deformed ones because the rest of those are going to go in my lunch this week. So I'm going to eat the little teeny tiny muffin that was like, this was like what was left in the bowl, and I think it was a good decision not to pool it into one of the other ones because they're already kind of overflowing. I can't tell if you can see that. And at least I do have a monitor in here, so I don't have to look, guess at the viewfinder. I am in frame now. I've got my coffee cup full of milk and 2 soda straws chained together because I don't have any Fursuit straws, and I don't think my jaw strap is on correctly. Whatever. Yep, that's pumpkin spice, all right. It's nice. It's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, and milk. Oh yeah, that's good. I think I'll also have the one that like weirdly is wet on the top and caved in, because this is the pan with all the deformed ones on it. Because actually wait, no, that makes sense. This is the pan that went on the bottom rack, therefore it's the bottom. Today is bottom day, so yeah, it fits. I gotta eat these ones. Yeah. Yeah, these are definitely, this one's it's got like the little dimple in the middle, and it's really moist in the middle and brown in the middle. If you're wondering why I'm doing this, is because I can't see shit out of these eyes. Yeah. Good muffin. Yeah, I don't know where I was going with this. Man, I need to reinstall my fucking mic, because that way you could get that nice Vor ASMR as I eat these muffins, but I haven't gotten around to doing that yet, so yeah, whatever. Good muffins though. Totally worth 19 cents and 2 eggs on however much I blew on electricity. Now that I think about it, probably I blew more on electricity than I actually paid for the muffins. Yeah, I'm not sure where I was going with this. See ya, maybe, I guess. If I haven't lost all my will to live, I'll probably make another video. Who knows?